Did you just get a Garmin Forerunner 265? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your data screens for the run activity. So stick around because it's going to be an epic video. All right, to set up your data screens for running, just click the top right button. And then you can set up favorites, but so there's run. So let's do the data screens for the run activity. So just long press the run activity, and then it will go to this menu here. So there's run settings, training, navigation, set as favorite. We'll set it as favorite. Alright, so let's get into the run settings. Alright, so once you click run settings, you'll see data screens. So just select data screens, and here's where you set up your different data screens for running. So while you're running, you can swipe down and go to another data screen. So in this case, there's the map. Looks like there's two maps, and then the top data screen. So let's edit this data screen and set it up to what we want. Alright, so the first thing you can change is the layout. So you can sit here and press the up and down arrows to change to different layouts. So if you just want 4 data fields, that works. So there's different options. So I like the one with 4 data screens in the middle and then one on top like that. So this is the layout that I prefer. That way you can see a lot of different data while you're running. So you just want to hit the top right button to apply it. And then now let's change the data fields. So just go down to data fields. And then each data field will blink whenever you can change it. I actually like the heart rate gauge at the top. This is great, and the heart rate value actually changes. Let's see, so we got the top is distance, which is fine, and then total time is cool. And then lap time is nice. So when you're in the middle of a mile, you can see kind of how fast you're going or how much time you have left before you finish that mile. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and change this time here. Now let's see what other fields they have. So there's distance, pace, speed, heart rate, run dynamics, cadence, pace pro, power, temperature, elevation. There's not much elevation here, so we don't need that. Ooh, graphical, that's cool. Let's go see what graphical has. Okay, so vertical oscillation gauge. Okay, let's we don't need graphical. Charts, and time. We're back to timer fields. So you can also download Connect IQ data fields. So on my Venue X1 watch, I actually have my core temperature sensor hooked up to this right here. But let's do estimated finish time. Alright, so that's an interesting one. And then I like the pace. So the pace at the bottom will give you your real-time pace. And it updates, I guess, once a second or something. Oh, that's not what we wanted. Alright, pace fields, pace, and just hit it. Alright, those are the exact steps on how to set up your data screens and the layout of your data screens on the Garmin Forerunner 265. All right. Okay, so now let's get into the cool new TriSchedule app updates. All right, so to download the TriSchedule app, just go to the App Store and then search for TriSchedule, T-R-I schedule, all one word, just like that. So just search in the App Store, and then there it is. Sweet, it's TriSchedule. So I already have it downloaded, but those are the exact steps on where to find it in the App Store. So go download it if you don't have the new TriSchedule app for running, biking, swimming, kayaking, anything sports related outdoors. All right, now let's get into the app updates. All right, so let's go over the cool new TriSchedule app updates. So one cool new feature is adding the list view. So right now, basically you can just scroll down and you just see one view. But if you click the list view on the top left, it will change modes, and now you can just scroll through each day. And the calendar, you can see the calendar changing as we're scrolling. Now we're back into January. So you can see pretty cool that it's just scrolling through all the different days as you scroll down. Cool new feature that we just added in the TriSchedule app. So don't forget to click the link in the description below to download the new TriSchedule app or download it from the App Store. So super cool new feature, being able to just scroll through all your different days of workouts. And what's even cooler is now you can do the same for your friends and athletes that you coach. So if you come here and click the list view, it will load up all your friends and athletes' activities. And then as you scroll down, it will update the calendar based on the day that you're viewing your athletes and friends' activities. So super cool feature that we just added to the TriSchedule app. Don't forget to download it in the App Store. It's on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. And then what's super cool is in the Health tab, now you can see your sleep data. And also it will tell you the exact time when you had light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep, or if you're awake. So last night I had a good amount of REM sleep towards the end of my sleep, so I felt rested when I woke up. So this graph shows you exactly that. And my resting heart rate dropped down to 40 BPM, which is great. And I got a 82 sleep score, and sleep quality was good last night. And then here's the actual details of how much you were in each. So 2 hours 8 minutes in deep. Light was 3 hours 7 minutes. REM was 1 hour and 25, and I was only awake for 10 minutes, which is great for me. We also just added the planned and completed volume. So you can see that the planned activities are in blue and the completed activities are in green. So this is for my running activities. So for this week, I have 18 miles planned, and I've only run about 8. So I still have 10 miles to go for this week. And it's super cool that all the planned volume shows up right here, and all the completed activities as well. So it'll tell you how long you ran for, and the total distance, and the calories burned, which we'll use to calculate the health. So now you can come in and add pictures in the nutrition, and it will automatically count the calories for you and let you know if you need to eat more or eat less based on your activities for the day. So those are all the new cool TriSchedule app updates. Don't forget to check out the new TriSchedule coaching and training app. It's great for running, biking, and swimming, as well as kayaking or any other yoga fitness activities you do. So just check it out in the link down in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.